guys, me Murnie here. Hari biasa Murnie aku request an amazing day today. It's our current pandemic situation. Everyone will be working from home and study from home. So I'm going to show you tips and tricks that you can use when you are at home. One of the features that you can use is voice dictation. You can dictate on a MacBook so that your Mac types out your speech. But before you can start using voice dictation, you have to enable it via MacBook system preference. And here's how to set up and use dictation features on the Mac.
How to set up dictation on a MacBook. You can click the Apple logo in the top left toolbar and then go to System Preferences. Select Keyboard and then go to Dictation. You can turn it on, the dictation, enable it, then you're done.
So, let me show you how to use the voice dictation on your MacBook. You need to press the function key button on the MacBook 2 times. Once upon a time, there was a boy called Tom. So, let's say another scenarios.
Do you know a few fun facts about our brain? Can generate around 23 watts of power. Seriously, cepat gila punya screensaver.
Why you guys tak pakai je guided access?
What is guided access?
Guided access helps you to focus on a single task by temporarily restricting iPad to a single app and allowing you to control features that are available. So, what you can do with guided access? Guided access will disable areas of the screen that are not relevant to a task or areas where an accidental gesture might cause a distraction. Let me show you how to enable guided access. You need to go to your iPad setting and go to Accessibility. And scroll down, you can find guided access. Tap that, turn it on, enter passcode settings, set up passcode, and you're done. You can go to any application that helps you to focus on a single task by temporarily restricting iPad to a single app. Once you open the app, you need to triple click on the on button and then it will appear like this. Press start, then you're done. After you finish with your work, you can triple tap the button again to disable it. Then press N. That's it. Another one features that you can use is simple gestures on iPad.
And one more thing, I'm going to share with you about Machines Protection Plan, which cover on accidental and liquid damage for 2 years. To find out more, you can visit Machines website and also Machines outlet. Don't forget to wear your mask and also wear your sanitizer and follow 1 meter social distancing.